In a peaceful lakeside haven nestled between a dense forest and a field of vibrant wildflowers, lived two inseparable friends, a clever bird named Benny and a gentle-hearted duck named Daisy. Their friendship was an enduring tale of being there for each other through thick and thin. Benny, with his striking plumage of blue, was a crafty problem solver and an expert nest builder. His songs, harmonizing with the rustling leaves, were the soundtrack of the forest. Daisy, on the other hand, had soft, downy feathers as white as the clouds above. She was known for her empathy and her knack for making everyone feel welcome. One bright morning, as Benny was perched on a branch overlooking the tranquil lake, he noticed a worried look on Daisy's face. She was trying to build a new nest for her upcoming ducklings, but the reeds and twigs she needed were out of her reach. Swooping down gracefully, Benny landed beside her. "Daisy, what's troubling you?" he inquired, his voice as comforting as a gentle breeze. Daisy sighed. "I need more reeds and twigs for my nest, Benny, but I can't fly like you. They're all too high up." Without a moment's hesitation, Benny offered his help. "Don't worry, my friend. I'll gather the materials you need. You can count on me." Gratitude shone in Daisy's eyes as she watched Benny expertly collect the reeds and twigs from the trees and bushes. In no time, they had a cozy nest ready for her ducklings. Weeks later, when Daisy's ducklings hatched, Benny was there, celebrating the joyous occasion with his melodious songs. He even taught the little ducklings a tune or two, filling the air with laughter and music. But the story of their friendship didn't end there. One stormy evening, as dark clouds gathered and rain lashed the lake, a strong wind swept across the waters, pushing Daisy's nest adrift. The little ducklings were terrified and helpless. Daisy's distressed quacks filled the air, reaching Benny's keen ears. Without hesitation, Benny soared into action. He flew through the rain and gusty winds, guiding the nest safely back to the shore. The ducklings chirped their thanks as they huddled together, safe and dry. As the storm passed and the sky cleared, Benny and Daisy watched their ducklings play in the gentle waves. Their friendship had been tested and strengthened by their unwavering support for each other. Benny and Daisy were living proof that true friends were always there to lend a helping hand, be it in gathering twigs or weathering life's storms. In their idyllic lakeside haven, their bond continued to flourish, a living testament to the power of friendship, unity, and being there when it mattered most.